What's going on, guys? I'm here for box break number 20, Upper Deck Mixer. So we are going to start this by saying out the teams. So we had 31 slots in this one, 31 teams. This is going to be a 2018-19 hockey mixer. So we got 2018 Trilogy. We got 2018 Premier. We got a 10 from series from last year's Series 1. And we got 2018-19 the Cup. Saw some amazing hits out of the Cup. So before we get into the slots and who has them, I'm going to go through the giveaway. So every slot you guys got in this break, your name goes into an amazing giveaway we're going to do shortly after the break. So I'll go through the cards. So first up is a nice Vlad Guerrero Home Run Derby card. This is a rookie card from 2019 Update. Next up is from the Update Series 2019 Pete Alonso, and that's an All-Star Game card, rookie. These Update cards, guys, are the hottest selling every year, more than Series 1 and 2. So we got 2018 Topps Update. We got a Ronald Acuna rookie debut. That is next up. I know you guys, older generation and my generation too, a little bit, is we got this amazing Bobby Clark, 1977 Bobby Clark in mint condition. That's going to go into the giveaway. We also got this 1984 Wayne Gretzky team card. So this one's going to go in. This is amazing to look at it. Look at Gretzky, 1983-84, got 87 goals and 118 assists. Wow. That's not going to happen again. But got this amazing Gretzky. Here's another scoring leader card. Wayne Gretzky, that's going into the giveaway. This Biggio rookie from the 2019 Topps Update. Got a couple graded cards here. You got a 1988 O-Pee-Chee. Now O-Pee-Chee sometimes in baseball is worth more. So these O-Pee-Chee's graded cards are worth more than the Topps. So this is a PSA 9, 1988 Ryan Sandberg O-Pee-Chee. Next up, we got 1988 O-Pee-Chee Ken Caminiti PSA 9. I decided to add a few cards into this one just from the good response. So there's a couple extra cards that we're going to give in this giveaway. 1978 Billy Smith, one of my favorite goaltenders as a kid. 1978 Billy Smith. We also got, I added 1990 Frank Thomas to the giveaway. That's 1993. This cool Yao Ming Hall Kings. These are just cards that I threw in at the last minute for you guys. And also a nice 1989 Topps Traded Randy Johnson. So all those cards we're going to go into the giveaway. So basically what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the names right now, guys. So all these names will go into the giveaway after. So what we got now is Gus has Buffalo, Jack's got Philadelphia, Frank's got the Coyotes, Frank's also got the Hurricanes, Armand's got San Jose Sharks, Henry's got Boston, Andrew's got the Canucks, Armin's got Calgary, Peter's got Nashville, James got Edmonton, Eli's got Tampa, Henry's got Florida, Peter's got Anaheim, Nick's got the Golden Knights, James has got Colorado, Eli's got the Islanders, Gus has got the Rangers, Andrew's got Montreal, Frank's got St. Louis, Brandon's got the Kings, Nick's got Chicago. Craig, on your first break, congratulations. Not the best team, but hopefully you can get something out of this one. It's Minnesota Wild. Jack's got Pittsburgh, Henry's got Toronto, Frank's got the Columbus Blue Jackets, Nick's got Winnipeg, Eli's got Ottawa, Gus has got the Devils, Nick's got Dallas Stars, Gus has Detroit, Eli's got Washington. So there are all the slots and the names attached. So basically, guys, for this for 2018-19, the key rookies are obviously is going to be Jordan Binnington from St. Louis, also Robert Thomas, Rasmus Dahlin from Buffalo, Miro Heiskanen from Dallas, Brady Tkachuk and Colin White from Ottawa. The big one from last year is going to be Elias Pettersson. Those cards, I've seen his Cup cards selling for $2,000 to $3,000. So there are big hits in this Cup. Hopefully we can get some tonight. Premier also has a good checklist for rookies. Also Jesperi Katanani, whatever. I'm going to start, guys, if this is your first break, I'm going to butcher some of these names. This is like a standard for our breaks, so it's pretty hilarious. When my voice goes a little low and I start mumbling, it's probably a Russian guy from hockey, so just a funny thing to think. So just hopefully just wanted to check if the volume's okay, guys. If you could hear, we'll get into the break right now. Just before we get into the break, I just wanted to, pretty cool, I just sold my Wayne Gretzky rookie PSA 6 for $19.50. So pretty stoked about it. Sad to see it go. Such an iconic card, but got a really good price, guys. So just sold it on my eBay. Wayne Gretzky rookie. These cards are amazing to look at and to keep, but got a good price, and I let it go for over $1,900. So that was pretty cool today. And this is iconic card. I don't know if any of you guys have Gretzky cards. Let me know in the comments if you do, because this is always a hot card. Okay, guys. So we're going to get right into the break. So what we're going to do first is we're going to do the tin first. Series 1, guys, basically what we're looking for is Young Guns. Young Guns are the hottest sellers every year. So they are the hottest sellers every year, and they always sell. So we're always looking for Young Guns. So I'll stop for the Young Guns. I'll do this one pretty quick so we can get into the big hits. So here we go, guys. Good luck to everybody. I know Craig's, it's his first break, so good luck to you, Craig, on Minnesota Wild. Looking for Young Guns. That's where I'm going to stop, guys. I'm just going to stop for the Young Guns on this one. This one's pretty cool. There is a top loader here, guys, and it's a jumbo card, and that's going to go to our first hit. It's going to be Rangers and Sabres. So what we're going to do is when we have cards like this, just to let guys know for their first break, when we do have more than one player or teams on a card, those ones will go to the giveaway at the end. Just these two guys. So whoever has the Rangers and whoever has the Sabres, they'll go into to the draw at the end. Also, guys, if there's cards that have more than one players or teams, they'll go into the thing. And if there's any junior cards from these players, what we usually do is we give it to the team they're currently on. So this one's going to go into the draw between the two guys that have the Rangers, and so that's Gus and Buffalo, which I believe is Jack. So there you go. Hope you guys can hear me good. Let me know in the comments, guys, if the audio is good. So let's get this break started. This tin will be pretty good, guys. We're just going to stop at the Young Guns. Obviously, those are the ones that are selling. Okay, and here we go. Good luck to everybody. And I'll sleeve all the cards that are, obviously for this one, is going to be the Young Guns. I'll sleeve them all up for you guys. Make sure they're protected for you guys to, if you guys want to, send them in for grading, which we also do on this site. So, really good year, I guess. Took off with Elias Pettersson on this year. This year's a little slow for rookies. There is obviously Jack Hughes is number 1, but still, there's a Connor McDavid. Not a rookie, but here's a rookie commence. But basically, guys, just for this series, we're just looking for Young Guns. Those are the ones. And you know what? Don't underestimate the Young Guns. They usually outsell all the artifacts autos. Sometimes these Young Guns are considered the true rookie of. There's a Jake Getzel. He's pretty hot, but his Young Guns is actually worth good money. Hart from Philadelphia. I seen his Young Gun from this year selling at over $200. I think my brother just sent about 5 of his cards in. There's our first Young Gun, guys, and I'll sleeve that one up. And it is. Yeah, Peter, let me know if the audio is good. We just started with the tin. Kristen Vesalainen. There's our first Young Gun. And that is going to Winnipeg. And that's going to Nick. So Nick's got the first Young Gun. And we will continue. Hey Peter, how's the audio? Good? Just started with our 10 Series 1. If here we go. Just continuing here, guys. Oh, here's our second one, and it's going to be from Detroit. And that is Christopher Ian. That's our second young gun, guys, and that's going to Detroit Red Wings. So Detroit Red Wings is going to be Gus. So 2 young guns so far, guys. Also, people like the canvas cards in this set, but the young gun is the ones that we're looking for, guys. Be nice to see a nice Biddington too. He's always a hot player. We'll continue. Here's our first canvas card, and it's a Brett Hess. People like collecting these canvas cards as well, so I'll leave that one up for you guys. And he's on Carolina, and that's Frank. And we'll continue, guys. Yeah, probably other than Bowman on baseball, probably my biggest sellers every year is the young guns. Here's a Carey Price. Here's a Michael Rasmussen. This one's a pretty good one. It's a Detroit as well. Yeah, young guns are probably my hottest sellers, guys. So my suggestion to you guys is that instead of buying a box that has the jersey cards or the autos, I would invest in Series 1 and Series 2 Upper Deck. Now, the new Upper Deck is coming out in November, probably next week. So if you guys are interested in buying a case to get all the young guns this card, let me know and we could split a case together. And we could see if we're going to do by teams or we'll just do by boxes. But I'm thinking of buying a case for this site. Now, I always buy a couple boxes of young guns every year because that's my majority of my money that where I make from Upper Deck is the young guns. So if you guys are interested, just let me know in the comments, and we could split a case. We could do it by box, or we could do it by team, whatever you guys want to do. The only thing is that yeah, there was a jumbo card, Peter, so it's going to go into the draw because there's two teams on it, the Rangers and Sabres. So whoever owns, I think it's Gus and Jack, whoever owns the Rangers and Sabres, it'll go into the draw. For those of you, like I want to say, for those of you who are in the first break, what we do is if there's any cards, multiple players on the cards, just the guys that are on the cards will go into the draw. And then we'll do it after. What's up, Henry? How you guys doing on a Sunday? Looking for some big hits, guys. And all these cards are going to be sorted and gone through. Here's another canvas card. So I just want to make sure there's no other. Here's another canvas card. That's a cool one. That's a cool card. I've never seen that one before, but it looks pretty cool if you're a Canucks fan. I think Andrew's got the Canucks. That's a cool one. That's a nice canvas card. So, pretty good on a tin. We got about 3 young guns and a couple cool canvas cards. So that's pretty cool. Let's see if we can get one more young gun out of this last pack, guys. If not, we're going to move on to the trilogy. So here we go. And that's it for Series 1. So we got a couple cool canvas cards and we got some young guns. So that's pretty cool for the guys who has those teams. Next up is Trilogy. Trilogy always has some cool stuff. And then we're going to go, after the Trilogy, we're going to go to the Premier that has amazing hits. Upper End, the last 2 Upper End box. Always my wife complains because I always take the knives out of the kitchen to do my breaks and then leave them here. So there's one that if my wife is watching, it's not lost. I got it over here in the office. All right, let's open this up. All right, cool. Here we go, Trilogy. Next up, yeah, just trying to steady it, guys, for you guys if it's a little blurry. Is it better? The audio, the video? Okay, so we'll start up. Philip Forsberg, nice young player, Barzell. Here's a nice Max Domi. Wow, that's a nice cool card. So that's a nice Max Domi. And it is numbered out of, is that 199? And that goes to Montreal. I think Andrew was trying to sell the Montreal or trade him, but he didn't. So that's a nice cool card. So that's a Max Domi, number to 199. And the last card is Brad Marchand in that one. So that's the first pack. Second pack, Trilogy. Fleury, nice McDavid. Ooh, nice Ryan Donato. That's one of the good rookies from last year. 3-color patch. That's a nice one. So who's got, let's see here, who's got Boston Bruins? Boston Bruins is going to be, help me out here guys if you have them, but Boston Bruins is Henry. Henry, you got the first big hit. It's numbered out of 49. Ryan Donato, that's one of the good rookies from last year. Nice hit. Nice thick stock on these cards too. Look at that. Yeah, rookie premier, Ryan Donato. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get it. Yeah, there it is. Nice hit, Henry. 3-color patch, rookie premier. And it's a level 2, so it's pretty cool. Numbered out of 49. Okay, let's move on, guys. Nice hit, Henry. Next up, Patrick Kane, Aho, and nice Elias Patterson, rookie premieres. That's a nice one. And that is Andrew, I believe. I think Andrew's got, yeah, Andrew's got Vancouver. So that's a nice cool card. Elias Pettersson, best rookie from last year. Rookie premier. And that is numbered out of 599. There you go, Andrew. You're on the board there. And we'll just finish that pack with an Austin Matthews. Next up, Trilogy's hit and miss. I've bought about a couple boxes every year. It's a hit and miss, but some cool cards so far. Here we go to Jack Eichel, and that is a nice looking card as well. And that goes to Buffalo. And that Buffalo Sabres, I believe, is going to be Jack. I think Jack has the Buffalo Sabres, if I'm not mistaken. That's a nice Jack Eichel, numbered to 425. Finish off this pack. Ryan Getzlav and Kopitar. Okay, next pack. Okay, guys. Ooh, John Tavares. Let me get that focused in, guys. Sorry, the focus is not working that good. But that's a nice John Tavares patch, and it's numbered to 213. And Toronto is Henry. That's a nice card there, Henry, and it's numbered to 213. Always Toronto cards are always hot in this market, especially this market, right? A lot of fans all over Canada as well. So it's turning out to be a nice little box. Here you go, Henry, John Tavares patch, and it's numbered to 213. We'll finish off this pack. There you go. Okay, couple packs left, and then we're going to go into the premiere. So, ooh, nice puck. Craig Anderson, signed puck. Need a thicker sleeve for that. Ottawa Senators. Is going to be Eli. Nice hit, Eli. You're on the board. That is a signature puck. Craig Anderson. That's a nice hit. So we're spreading the hits around, guys. And a nice Sidney Crosby at the end there. So we got a couple more packs. Nice little box here we got going. Yeah, Trilogy is always hit and miss, but you can get really nice cards out of here. And here's a PK Subban and Steve Stamkos and Getzel. So a nice PK Subban. And that is numbered out of 199. Last pack and we'll go to the premieres, guys. Main boxes are going to in this break are going to be the premieres. Amazing cards in both the Cup and Premiere. I've seen some awesome cards on YouTube, so hopefully we can hit something. Here's a Tavares base. Here's a Jack Eichel base. Here's a Patrick Waugh. Nice Patrick Waugh, numbered to 199. And that is going to be Andrew as well. Okay, some nice cards out of that one. Just finished the pack here with the goaltender. So nice packs there. We're going to go on to the premiere. Just going to make some room here for you guys. And we're going to go right to the premiere, which has some awesome hits. Can't wait to see what's in the Cup and the premiere. Just going to make some room. Some nice hits so far. Really like that Tavares jersey. Alright, guys. Next up, premiere. Also comes in a tin. Nice box. Peter, I don't know if you want this one. You sometimes you like the tins. I'll give it to you. Okay, so one pack. See what we got in here. Yeah, I usually steal it from my wife. She's been looking at that knife, waiting for that knife. Okay, so okay, guys, 2018-19. Here we go. First one is going to be Premier Rookie, Troy Terry. And it's numbered to 299. And that is going to Anaheim. Nice stock on these cards. And Anaheim is going to be Peter. There's your first rookie. This one's going out to Peter. Nice rookie premier card. Next up, Max Domi, Montreal. That's going out to Andrew. And that is numbered out of 199. Next up, Jordan Kyrou, nice rookie patch auto, and it is numbered to 99. That's a sweet card, and that is going to St. Louis. And Frank, you're on the board with your first hit. Nice card. And these are pretty cool on-card autos, not stickers. Jordan Kyrou rookie auto patch. And that is numbered to 99. Nice hit, Frank. Next up, Drake Batherson, nice, numbered to 99, 3-color patch auto. And that's going to the Senators. And that, I think that's Henry as well. Oh, this is Eli. Drake Batherson auto patch, nice card, beautiful card. Beautiful card, 3-color patch, numbered to 99, on card. Next up, chest logo, James Neal, numbered 17 out of 26. This is a beautiful patch. This is awesome. And that's going to Calgary. Calgary Flames. Who's got the Flames, guys? Calgary Flames is going to be Armand. Spreading the hits around. Armand, you got your first nice hit. Beautiful card. 17 out of 26. James Neal. Chest. This is a chest logo. Yeah, this is from the chest logo. 17 out of 26. Beautiful card. Next up, here you go. Mark Scheffel, Winnipeg Jets. That's a jersey card. And it is going to be the Jets. I believe that's Henry as well. That's Nick. Nick's on the board with a nice jersey hit. Last card on the Premier is going to be a trio, Pittsburgh. Phil Kessel, Jake Getzel, and Evelki Malkin, numbered to 75. Nice card. Trio, Pittsburgh Penguins, Phil Kessel, Jake Getzel, and the Malkin. And that's numbered to 75. Who's got Pittsburgh? Pittsburgh Penguins. Nice hit. And that is Jack. That's a nice one. Trio. Jack, you're on the board. Malkin, Kessel, and Getzel. Number to 75 trios. Nice one. All right, guys. Now we're into the main event. We got the best box of the night. Here we go. Get that one out of the way. Here we go. The cup. What we've been waiting for. I'll be easy with the knife. Some amazing hits in this one, guys. Just move it back a little bit. This tin is amazing. Peter, if you want this tin, let me know. Look at this beautiful tin. Yeah, Peter, I'll give you this tin if you like it. Don't like to see you guys back for the giveaway. We got amazing cards, guys. So giveaway is going to be shortly after. Here we go. Probably the top of the line box you could buy right now for hockey is going to be this one here. I'll just cover it. Just a little suspense. Go. Just getting it ready. Okay, guys. Good luck to everybody. And here we go. First hit is going to be Tyler Seguin, numbered to 249. Nice thick stock there, look at that. Show you what the back looks like. And that goes to the Dallas Stars, and that's Nick. First one out of the cup. Okay, guys, next up. Ooh, nice. Kiefer Sherwood, and that is numbered to 249. That's a rookie patch auto. And that's going to Anaheim Ducks again. And that's Peter. Peter, that's your first hit. Look at that card, eh, Pete? Nice hit, Peter. That's Peter's first big hit of the box, and it's a good time to get it from the cup. Beautiful card. Three color patch auto. And that's numbered to 249. Nice hit, Peter. Nice hit. Next up. Holy smokes. Is everybody watching this? Sidney Crosby. Limited logos. Numbered to 10. Look at that patch. Wow, this is a monster hit. Pittsburgh Penguins. Who's got the Penguins again? Monster hit. This is probably one of the biggest hits we've gotten. Sidney Crosby, numbered to 10. Look at that patch. Jack. Wow. Holy smokes. Big hit. That deserves 3 Greek opus. Opa! I wish I had a bell. I wish I had a bell to ring when we get monster hits, guys. Pittsburgh Penguins, I just want to double check, is Jack. That's an amazing card. Wow. Jack, I think you just paid for all your slots for the next 5 years. Peter, are you watching this? This card's amazing. Nice hit. Somebody wake up Jack and tell him he just hit a home run. This cup box is amazing, guys. Next up. Nice Cal Peterson. Cal Peterson on card, numbered to 40. Oh, no, I think that's his number actually. And that's LA Kings. And that's you, Brandon. Brandon, you got your hit. I think you got the, yeah, Brandon, you got the LA Kings. Nice card. Pretty good. I think everybody's hitting something here. Nice hit, Brandon. Okay, next up. Here's another nice sweet card. And it's a rookie patch auto, numbered to 249. Beautiful card. Samuel Montalban. And that's the Florida Panthers. Beautiful card. Who's got Florida, guys? Henry. Henry, you got another nice hit. Beautiful card. Nice patch auto. Another nice hit for Henry. Last but not least, nice. That is a cool card. Rookie class of 2019, drafted 2016, so that's numbered at 249, and that's Dylan Dubé. And that's another Calgary Flame. And that's going to go to Armand again. Nice hit, Armand. And that is a rookie certified. This is the new cards that they threw in for certification. Anyways, guys, nice break. We did a good break. I think everybody got their hits. What we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of a break, and we have amazing cards on the giveaway, so don't go away. Highlighted, but this awesome Sidney Crosby, number to 9, limited logos. Sorry, number to 10 on card, and an amazing patch to boot. That's probably one of our biggest hits, guys. Beautiful card. Thank you for watching, guys. So if you want to join our breaks and you're watching, so just if you're not already on, go to Gem 10 Collectors World on Facebook, ask to join. We usually put the slots up for sale, and then every slot you get your name into an amazing giveaway. Some of my cards are on eBay store, Kalamata_Geo_7, and you could follow us on Instagram. I got 1,500 followers already. It's been going amazing. Gem 10 Collectors World. And these videos are going to go on our YouTube channel, Gem 10 Collectors World. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. These breaks have been amazing. I love doing it for you guys. Love collecting and actually doing these breaks for you. So it's a pleasure. So we're going to do an amazing giveaway. This is all gratification for all you guys being in the breaks. Hopefully you're for that. And then look out for the next break. Thank you.